If you've received a self-reporting questionnaire from your carrier regarding your business audit, we're here to help. We're going to go through the form and point out some of the most important pieces you need to complete and offer up some helpful tips. The first thing to know is if you have a business accountant, they can probably complete this form for you. So if you do, you can skip the rest of this video and hand it off to them. If not, stay tuned. We'll go through how to fill this form out. Let's start with the first section. In this section, you're going to fill out a line in this chart for each type of employee that you have. In this section, you'll see a column labeled WC exposure. WC exposure stands for workers' comp exposure, which basically means how much payroll you have for everyone listed in that row. Let's move to the next section at the bottom of the page. This is where you're going to list all of the business owners or partners that are a part of your company and include all of their information here. On the next page in the employee payroll section is where you're going to list each and every employee that you have and how much payroll you have paid them in the past year. Make sure to also include any owners in this section. At the bottom of page 2 is where you're going to list out your gross wages by quarter. This information can usually be pulled from your state unemployment records from the past year. In this next section, you are going to list out each type of work that your company performed in the past year and the associated sales that came in from that type of work. So for example, if you're a construction company, you would list out construction work and then the amount of sales that came in from doing your construction work. This is really important. Your signature at the bottom of page 4 indicates that what you've completed on the form so far is true and to the best of your knowledge. Don't forget to sign this section. You're almost done. Congratulations. In this last page is where you are going to indicate any subcontractors that you have. A couple things you need to know about this section. We need to know the name of the subcontractor and we need their certificate of insurance. In addition, we'll also need to know how much work was subbed out to them. Remember that if you are subbing out work to subcontractors, they're basically treated like employees of your company, and that's why we need this information. And that's it. You've completed the form. If you have any questions while you're filling this form out, don't hesitate to reach out to our Holly Insurance team. We're here to help. You can always call us, email us, or even text us.